Do you like to see how an institutional level trader takes a winning trade? Then I will show you now an amazing live 1 to 4 winning trade which gives us a $600 profit. I will show you exactly how we analyzed the market and entered into this winning trade using the concepts of volume profile, order flow, footprint analysis and the secret sniper big trades indicator used by world top traders. Let's straight away jump into this live winning trade. So let's see where we are sitting. Currently we are sitting on a profitable trade, on a live trade, which you can see the daily PNL is $350 and we have a floating unrealized profit of $70 currently running, and the trade is in profit. So let's manage this trade and let's also see how we enter into this trade. The current daily PNL profit and loss is $352 and we currently running on a $70 floating profit, unrealized profit. Okay, so let's see what the order flow is doing right now. Okay, this is the current order flow, where you can see we entered to the trade over here and we have already banked partial profits. We have taken 4 take profits out and currently we have some part of the trade. You can see at one stage the trade went into a 1 to 3 while the trade was running, right? We banked some profit when the trade went to 1 to 3. So as we are currently in profit, what I will do is I will bring the stop loss down into a take profit area. So the stop loss, I would bring it down over here, guys, just over here, so that even if we get stopped out, even that stopped out will be a profitable, additional profit will be added to the current profit. Love it guys, love it. Beautiful markets, guys. If you can read the markets with volume profile, order flow, footprint concepts, you would love it, guys. You can see, guys, the sellers are pushing hard. So what I will do is I will further bring the stop loss further down because we would love to secure the profit so far. So I take the stop loss further down into profit, and what we will do is, guys, we will further bring it down so we don't mind getting stopped out now because the trade is in profit. Okay, so because after aggressive sellers trying hard, if the price does not further push down, we are okay to close the trade on a winning trade. You can see, absolutely love it, guys, love it. See, the trade is melting down and we are currently in a 550 running floating profit, which we would love to see over here. You can see 350 plus $200, $550 floating profit, and we are currently actively managing the trade. So what I'm doing is I'm now bringing the stop loss further down into further take profit level further down to secure extra profits. As I said, guys, the trade is melting down, right? I said the sellers will give off one final push. They are doing absolutely classical, guys, absolutely classical. What I'm going to do is I'm going to close the trade on profit. So we got a we got the daily profit of $600, guys, as you can see here. And this is where we took the profits, partial profits. We took profits at 5 levels. So 5 take profit levels, and the final take profit of $115 gave us a total of $600 winning trade. So the reason for taking this trade is, if I show you the high level chart, right, you can see, looking at the high level chart, for the last 2 days in this week, you can see the price was pushing down. So this is Monday price action, then this is Tuesday price action, then this is today's price action. So you can see Monday, the market rallied up. However, the market was crawling, guys. It was a bit unusual price action, right? The market overstretched. Again, the market yesterday, guys, pushed up with single prints, as you can see over here. After that stretch, when we enter into today's market, you guys can see in the initial balance, the price was rotating in a range, and then you can see after the initial balance, the price started coming down, bearish price action, with, you can see, bearish cumulative volume delta printed over here. And also you can see in the current RTH, developing volume profile value area, the price was more towards the bottom end of the developing RTH value area. So then today's price action, initially in the initial balance, price got established over here, fair value. However, after that, after initial balance, price broken down, price came down, pushed down, market structure bearish, okay, and you can see it came down of this initial balance range and retested it over here, and the price came down after the retest into the previous day high, and then came down, crushing down previous day below the previous day value area high. So with bearish cumulative volume delta, as you can see, guys. So this is the area where we took the trade in the footprint. The price started consolidating over here, and then after that we notice over here aggressive buyers did a huge push up, try to push up with big trades, huge big trades, and very bullish stacked imbalances, and you can see they were not rewarded. After that, you can see the price started printing bearish, aggressive sellers started coming into the picture. You can see bearish trades, bearish delta in the footprint. The price change, delta change from green to red, from bullish, you can see this bullish big buyers, aggressive buyers trying to push. However, they fail to move the price up, and then you can see the delta change from green to red. And when we see big numbers of aggressive sellers coming into the market, that gives us the final confluence to enter into the trade, guys. So absolutely classical 1 to 4 winning trade, and partial profits taken at these take profit levels using the concepts of institutional level order flow traders. And this 1 to 4 winning trade gave us an amazing, beautiful take profit of $600 for the day, risking only 0.1% of the account. And as I said earlier, if you risk 0.3%, this is a $1,800 winning trade, guys. So this absolutely classical, loving, winning trade was taken using the concepts used by institutional level order flow traders, which are volume profile, order flow, footprint analysis, and secret sniper big trades indicator used by world top traders. If you would like to learn the trading strategies we use, click the link given in the description below to access the full free course and use that knowledge to get funded and start trading like a professional. If you find this video helpful, please take a second to give us a thumbs up and write a comment so that it motivates us to make more videos like this.